In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rent your car on Turo. Let's dive in by making sure you're eligible to list your car. You should be at least 18 years old, although some regions require you to be 21 or older. A valid driver's license is also essential. Now let's talk about your car. It should be less than 12 years old, except if you have a classic car, and should have fewer than 130,000 miles on it. The title needs to be clean, meaning not salvaged or rebuilt, and your vehicle should be in excellent mechanical condition. Checking Turo's vehicle requirements will help ensure your car meets all the criteria. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, head over to the Turo website or open their app. Visit turo.com/host and click on List Your Car. If you're new to Turo, you'll need to sign up. Otherwise, log into your existing account. Now it's time to add your vehicle details. Enter your car's make, model, year, and license plate number. Be sure to upload clear, well-lit photos of both the interior and exterior. Providing an engaging description of your car is crucial. Highlight appealing features like Bluetooth connectivity, a convertible top, or all-wheel drive to capture potential renters' interest. Now let's talk about setting the right price for your car. You have two options here. You can let Turo set the price using their automatic pricing tool, which is a smart algorithm that adjusts based on travel demand. Alternatively, you can choose to set your own daily price. A helpful tip is to start with a slightly lower rate initially to attract bookings and accumulate reviews more quickly. Moving on to availability and delivery options, decide on the specific dates and times your car will be available for rent. Offering potential renters both pickup and delivery options, be it from your home, downtown locations, or the airport, can significantly increase your reach. If your vehicle supports it, consider enabling Turo Go for keyless entry, which simplifies the rental process for both parties. Next, you'll need to select a host protection plan. Turo offers several options, allowing you to weigh the balance between coverage and earnings. The 60 plan provides the most comprehensive protection, but gives you 60% of the trip price, while the 75 plan offers a middle ground, and the 90 plan maximizes earnings but reduces coverage. Each plan includes liability insurance and guest screening for added peace of mind. Finally, it's time to publish your listing. Make sure to review all the information and photos for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, hit publish. Your listing will go live, making your car available for guests to book immediately. Congratulations, you're now ready to start earning by sharing your car on Turo.